What's up, my slimes? We back at it again at the Krispy Kreme. Checking out season 3. Alright, let's see what this is. What they got? The
Season
Fortnite
3.
Battle Pass.
Whoa. Okay. We'll just ignore that happen.
Oh,
My game's not in full screen anymore. That's cool.
literally nothing happened on the recording end. Got bottles on it.
Uh. Yeah. Hold up. Wait a minute.
There's
What?
nothing. There's nothing wrong on our side.
It's There it goes. What the heck? Okay. For some reason, it got out of full screen for me.
Literally nothing is happening for us. We got the intervention.
It looks kind of goofy. I'm not even gonna
Dude,
lie.
where's the barrel so damn short? It has the sun reflector though. Look at the front.
Why is the shroud thick?
Why
Yeah.
is the what
I
thick?
wonder if that'll actually stop anything.
Stop the glint. It
Obviously,
should.
yeah, it should, but it's Call of Duty. It's not going to.
Yeah. What did you say
It's
was the?
also the barrel shroud right here.
That's actually small for the Shy Tech.
I don't know, but that's what I'm going to work for.
Yeah, they got the mag size right at least. That op, kind of cool. What else they got? Is that the only new gun they added?
Uh, they're going to add a couple new pistols mid-season.
Right.
Where's the new gun?
The only launch gun. Oh.
Nope. New battle rifle. It's bullpup. It actually looks kind of cool. I like that.
That's the. That's the new Sig. Pretty sure.
Uh, I like the mags. The mags actually look cool. The clear double stacks.
Oh yeah. Well, dude, fucking everything's double stack nowadays.
Uh. Ooh,
You don't
look at
know?
that. That looks cool.
Yeah.
They didn't. Nah, well, I guess. I don't know. I don't think I like that.
Dude, that reminds me of like an op.
Well, look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Teniente. Bro, he looks like a dude from Yellowstone.
Holy shit.
Hey, Shivo. That's right.
All the stuff looks cool. I like all the stuff in this.
Let's get some gameplay. What's new gameplay?
New maps. I forgot to hit this.
Oh yeah.
Got Gunfight, Peleo's Lighthouse, and Black Gold. Which one do you want to do first?
Run some Lighthouse. Because Gunfight fucking sucks.
Whoa.
Whoa, new screen. You're outside now getting that vitamin D's nuts.
Wow. I got the Kodachis now, which is nice.
Did you get
Been leveled up.
the hemlock and the torrent leveled up?
The torrent level, not the hemlock. You like my MP5?
Yeah. Dude, the torrent got fucking mollywopped with debuffs. Dude, it got
Really?
dragged into hell. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
it's still pretty good, but it got nerfed into hell.
Oh, it looks like they broke shooting range again. That's nice.
Yeah, you gotta love that. Close my
Alright.
window before my grandma yells at me through my window.
Alright.
Hold on. Hold up. I wanna build. Hold up, let's build a M4. I wanna build an M4.
Really?
Yeah. I wanna build you kind of like the M4 that I built you last time. but more of like a CQB version of it. Yeah,
Oh,
that one's neat.
well, I don't know how big of a map Lighthouse is. I haven't even seen it before.
I've
So,
still found it's a little bit more CQB. Who's joining?
that's Michael.
Yeah, put the 11.5 inch on.
Which one? Try
The
that
TS.
one.
Yeah. Union Guards, I like that. You know I like that. Um, honestly, I can't
Infros.
remember what laser you were
I think just for this one, I'm not gonna run one.
on. The Torrent Span 9 looks pretty bit lighter, the last stock.
It's just, I think it's no. That's just right. The recoil control.
Yeah, that's like a normal stock.
Yeah.
Cause like even in CQB, like fucking ops and shit, they're not running braces, which is what like all of the stocks are, besides the demo precision and the choreo prezio. So yeah, I'd run the torrent. And then a suppressor, probably on the smaller end.
Actually, these
That
tiny
is
suppressors.
too small. Yeah, I'd do the Corvus just for a little bit of details. Details.
Orvis. Oh, this. There.
Got that.
Oh, this is just a flash hider though.
Oh shit, it is. Yeah, the Echo line.
Oh, there we go. Honestly, has more visual recoil than I'd like.
I wanna
You can
hit. I
fix
wanna hit
that.
you up with the. No, I wanna hit you up with the hollow sun optic. What the fuck?
The hollow.
Yeah, the aim off B4.
Oh,
Yeah, Mythmaker. And Michael, I see you typing in chat. Can't read it. I'm recording. Fuck you. You're a pedophile.
um,
Bro, who just hit me with the?
me.
Is there like a foregrip that's literally just a hand stop?
No. The
The
closest
Edge
thing.
47. Dude, the Edge 47. That is literally just a hand stop. There you go. There's your CQB. Can you hear Cthulhu talking about the IRS in the background?
No.
Okay, good.
Also, I do not have the intervention yet because this is the first time I've been on. Well, since I bought the battle pass this morning.
Wait, get out of shooting real quick. This isn't content. And the lock got hit with a bunch of nerds too.
Really?
Yeah.
We need a. I need a different.
I watched Solo's video. The F-Tech Recon got a shit ton of buffs.
They need to burf the recon too much. Recon's already pretty solid.
No, they buffed the recon.
Yeah. I'm saying it was already pretty solid. It didn't really need any buffs.
I mean, for its competitors, it was dog shit, but,
Mm.
yeah, Schlager Tango, actually.
Actually, what?
The Schlager
Where was that?
Yeah, that one. That's basically just the default. Uh,
That's a lot of jump.
you can
That's
battle
whatever.
double.
Well, I can't. Well, I could, but
I'd prefer to put an optic on it since the iron sights on the dog shit.
bro, I just slapped all the smallest stuff on this. Just make it a quick second. You haven't seen any of my actual builds. Oh, I was gonna show you the PP. Hold on, look at the.
Drop the stock for an optic.
Look at the PP. It's freaking epic. 50 rounds and it's quick.
Okay, gamers, I'll see you in a. Why this boy handicap himself like that? Goddamn.
Goes ADS speed.
AGS speed. Bro, just shoot first.
Hold on.
What is boy using gold on a tactical loadout? Bro, dead again.
My dad's texting me.
Skill issue.
Womp womp. Damn, more colors though. Not mean to hit that. Or that. They added an. Ooh, what the heck? That's what, like, this color used to be.
I'd use either gray or black.
Smoke. The unplumb looks nice, though. I like that.
You could use that. You could get away with that. I doubt I'd get any death threats in the comments section for the fucking 3 people that you sent hits out on me. Bro, what are you doing?
Looking through all of them. Oh, I got the banana skin. I got the banana skin.
We'll make funny loadout later. This is time for serious.
I'm gonna take the Union Guard off the barrel.
Why, bro?
'Cause I don't like it, to be honest.
Yeah, the only downside is having the UK flag on there.
Oh, never mind. It just won't take it off.
Bro, what? The hell?
Hmm?
Why won't it come off?
I don't know. This has 2? Oh, yeah, it does.
Check it in the. Oh yeah, change the skin for the bell, too.
Do I have any weapon? Yes.
Isn't Mythmaker free?
I have no idea. Well, I didn't use Mythmaker, I used Worthy Opponent.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure the blueprint maker is like literally
Yeah.
free.
I don't remember. There's a freaking ACOG on it.
I'm pretty sure hot sauce is better than that. Like, goddamn. Damn. What the? Use that navy blue. Yeah. What's your race
My
car?
favorite weapon? I don't know what my favorite weapon is. I thought the gray would look better.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, probably that. That is not the skin. Okay.
What's the did they add a new gun screen?
Yeah, but I don't have it.
Oh, what does it do?
I can look.
Yeah, just forget it. Let's get into the game. We have 16 minutes of dog shit footage. Try the new bikini bottom slushy.
I can snipe, I guess. You should have watched me use the LSDPR.
For the 4 people watching this, it is a
Whoa!
Pedophile and chat.
Holy shit! This looks like it. Okay. I need to get in my gamer position. This map is way too dark. This looks. I like this map. This looks cool. It is a little on the bigger side. Okay.
Like, bro,
what was that hip fire?
You would not be that shiny if it was raining.
You're halfway to mission complete. Stay sharp.
What the hell? Oh, just camping at the top of the building.
Bro, did these just type in SV_cheats-1?
What?
Bro, you tell me
No, I have no idea what that is.
you uncultured swine. And you own a PC, but you know what that means, bro.
Hostile mortar strike.
The only source game you've ever played is CSGO.
The hell? Who was he?
Down on source. Bang.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot the guy camping at the top of the building.
In the gamer news segment, there is a news of Payday 3 coming around.
Oh, that's been news forever. What you talking about?
I know it's been news forever, but not a lot of people have
See how many bullets I put in that dude?
Changing mag.
Pretty sure by the time this video comes out, it'll be next
Oh my gosh.
year. 15 recordings behind.
Man, this M4 is severely underpowered.
Bro, what are those?
What the hell?
Carrier.
They got on fire? Oh no, it's the reactive skin. I don't know. At first glance, this is a cool looking map,
Yeah.
but I think its playability is,
It reminds me of like something from the fancy.
Didn't see me coming, did ya?
Shit.
Looks like it'd be better as a zombies map.
It would, bro. This actually kind of reminds me of
Taking effective fire.
Well, we gotta look for Easter eggs.
Incoming.
Like, doesn't it look like that one White House zombie map? Come on, Colty.
Switching mag.
Mate.
Yeah, I don't know. If that is what it is, then it makes sense why it looks like a good zombies map.
Loading.
See that,
I wanna, like,
uh,
search through here and find Easter eggs of, like, screw it.
Last mag. They tagged me.
Honestly, doesn't this seem like the kind of map that would, like, take a sniper
Casi
and
me
aim
llega el
out the
diablo.
distance and get a jump scare?
yeah. That'd be kind of funny.
That would be funny. I need to bring back old tricks.
There'd be
The
an
new
Easter egg, it'd be
gun.
here. Is that
Oh,
Coke?
like cocaine? Yeah. Shoot it.
Swapping mag.
Holy shit, I just blew out my lungs.
What if I don't?
Could get attacked by a shark or something. That would be cool.
Cool if there's like somewhere I could swim to. Yeah, I don't even care about playing the game anymore. I'm looking for Easter eggs.
I hear cocaine shots.
Doing the same thing as me.
Hold on, look in the window again.
We've got them on the run. Keep it up.
I did.
Oh, it's just a light reflection from the moon. I
Mm-hmm.
want to see if there's like a name on the boat that I can figure out or something.
Oh, why am I drowning so fast?
Hey,
Look at the water! Oh my god!
Yeah.
Yeah, ew.
Polygons.
I need to turn my water physics up for this map.
No, you don't. You break your game again.
Probably.
Remember the last time you messed with your graphics? Okay, go kill someone.
This part of the map is inbounds.
Sky barrier.
What it seems like.
And it's literally marked as a barrier on the map. Oh, what? Look back out there. Oh shit, there's a ship out there.
Mission
Shipment.
complete. Solid work.
Shipment.
There's literally
What?
shipment. Shrimpment.
Shipment. Yeah, I did jack shit. I was in the water half the game.
Need 3/4 the game? Oh shoot. Bro, you literally won the game. Life could be a dream. Shabu, shabu, up to the paradise above.
I'm Prestige 6? How the hell?
What the fuck? Okay, definitely tweak that AR.
Weak. We should just build something else.
Like what?
I don't know. It was really, really underpowered for no reason.
I mean, the M4 did get kind of nerfed. The STB got nerfed, bro, and nobody uses that shit.
No one used it originally.
No, it was pretty popular in, like, Season 1.
Something what?
different. Make Goober loadout.
He left. Oh, he said goodnight. What the hell? Good night. It's freaking 6 o'clock in the morning for him.
He lives in like Turkey.
It's like 6 o'clock in the morning for him. Have we done the 762?
Go to Snibbers. Make a
What now? Oh man. I don't play with snipers.
The MCPR.
I don't have that leveled up at all.
Just use it, level 15? What do you mean? Put the stando on it.
But what?
The stando. Stando. Extended mag, bro. You actually.
Oh my god. You could have just said that, dog.
Fast, whatever gives you the fastest ADS speed.
What's the.
Probably
Oh.
the-
No, that doesn't even increase ADS speed.
Yeah.
Crazy enough. Crazily enough.
Shortest barrel
Oh.
would be Orca.
Laser? Canted?
Yup. Okay, dude. Muslim.
Howlin' 16? F-Tech Reaper?
Yeah, the Reaper.
And the,
No, just keep it with the short barrel.
it looks like the. It looks like the It literally looks like the
Use the slowest bolt.
oh, look at it. It literally looks like the torrent.
It does.
Where is it? If the torrent had like a flat cover there.
Bolt.
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 That heavy bolt?
Yeah.
Man. Oh,
This would be ass.
on God. I'm putting the banana skin on it.
Do it. Fun banana. Banana gum. Is Jack here?
No.
Okay. Jump
Okay.
into a game of black. Game of black people 24/7.
What?
I can't forget that video. I just keep remembering the videos. 300 black men for only £2. Yes, sir. Bro, Crusher 21 is fucking hilarious.
150 trophies. Oh yeah, hold on. I forgot about the freaking operators that I got for this. I got Alejandro and this woman.
How we do it in Las Almas.
Just this woman, not Valeria.
It right here. I'm gonna use the woman.
Gus.
Goose.
Hello, my name is
I
Gustavo.
owe ya.
But you can call
Shots on
me
me after.
Among Us. Use the normal Gus skin. Uh, 150.
Ooh,
Ooh. Get into a game.
I'm searching.
Guns. Oh,
Searching.
why did it so long?
I don't know. Why is that 200 millisecond ping? I don't. That's over the 200 ping. I'm not trying to look for a game over that.
What's the shotgun?
Shotgun. For the Bryson.
Bro, that looks like the stretchy, kind of. It has no like trail. Go!
Ghost!
Go!
Ghost! Why am I
Oh,
being
shit, my
pinged?
name is Ghost. Hey Mason, see that moderator? We're gonna ping him.
Wow. Okay, I'm just not gonna be able to find a game. What the hell? Holy shit! I just saw this! Oh my god!
Okay, you wanna play some Warzone instead?
Like, oh! Holy shit!
Bruh.
She looked better in the preview.
We get age restricted if you say anything.
She looked better in the preview. Yeah, now.
Road rage.
Look how much black
that's-
cell.
Bro, why
Bruh.
is... Dude, why is, Alejandro literally blackface?
But look how cool the freaking black cell stuff looks. If only it wasn't $30 more on top of the $10 I spent.
All of those people look like the villains from Death Stranding.
Yeah, I don't know.
Do you remember that game?
I don't.
5 years ago?
That's the freaking walking simulator game, right?
Norman Reedus and his amazing fetus.
Yeah, I played like the beginning of it, and that's it. I need to finish it.
I would have played the entire game if it didn't keep crashing.
Bro, both of these people have the freaking the new the battle pass, the $30 battle pass.
Fortnite Battle Pass?
The $30 battle pass. Oh, what the fuck? Look at those pink nails, bruh.
It's bad. I forgot it gives you just a custom. It gives you a loadout.
You're.
Just nothing on the Xbox. The
Secure
normal
the flag or clear all threats in the AO.
Took away the 2v2 gulag and then just gave us 2v2.
Whoa, my god!
Dude, that was
Was not.
clutch. You wasn't even finished pulling that bitch out, bro. You just hopped one off.
Yeah, I was not ready for that.
Not ready for your 20 round mag.
Oh my god! Please don't die, teammate. I got him so low.
Why's your clan tag at Kima?
Because the box. That's why. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Do you not regen health in this game mode?
Trouser 1, clear all threats or
Holy shit.
flag to win.
The spur. 208. Why is it not the 308? That's what it fires, isn't it? Oh, it's 760.
Holy shit.
I am getting severe audio lag. Cap it.
Waiting for that bitch to push. Playing him like a fiddle. I freaking took his hip out and that's it.
Do you know Kev Dog?
Head dog, no.
The bodybuilder? Bro, in literally every one of his videos I commented on him to do 1,000 reps with a 45-pound dumbbell. You're getting nutted in.
What are you talking about?
Dude, this is unfair.
All Strasser, eliminate the
Whoa.
enemy or secure the flag.
Okay.
Landed on the ground, bro.
For
His foot
4
was still
seconds.
up in the air.
Oh, of course, of course.
Down to you. Finish the mission.
I think you might not have this though.
Of course.
You lost that
But-
round. Get ready for the next one.
Why'd you just? You could've
Got it. Well, I was worried if I pushed him, his teammate would flank me, but you know.
His teammate wouldn't have time. He could have got out of dodge.
There we go. You don't die, teammate. There's one left.
Victory secure. Be ready to win again.
He died, but it's whatever.
Died and killed him after a millisecond. Millisecond after he died.
What the?
Instant
Okay.
weapon. Yo, he got the rice aroni. Holy shit, that is ass. His gun is literally divisible by 11.
All that's left.
I-
Finish the mission.
3? Yeah, I know.
Mission is complete. Good work.
Visual delay. Ooh.
Yeah, I mean, my teammate was ass. My teammate was ass.
One kill, bro. Number one victory royale.
Yeah, Fortnite, we about to get down.
I hate Fortnite. I don't know why you guys make me record it.
We don't make you record anything.
Joel asked me to record it in the first episode. I pulled up my interface.
I literally doubt that. Ranked play, ew.
Oh, play number one victory royale.
No.
Gunfight.
Gunfight. Nah, what the fuck?
I just realized you got the stendo nails too. Like they're not just painted.
Mm-hmm.
Figure for a cartel leader, you know, they wouldn't.
Strasser 1. Secure the flag or clear all threats in the AO.
Bro, kill him with the fist.
What the fuck? Yeah, watch that. Watch this.
The round is lost.
I'm not gonna
Focus
get
on the
to.
next one.
Just immediately cap. He's hacking, bro.
God.
No way you land a shot like that with a
He-
hammer-fired pistol.
Where the hell was he?
Bro, he's hacking.
God.
He shot you in the hip. That's not a one
You lost
shot.
that round. Get ready for the next one. All Strasser, eliminate the enemy or
Well, no, but since
secure the
it's
flag.
brand new, there's no. Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, the sucking got nerfed, but it's still pretty good.
Where is he? What the hell?
You've won that round. Get ready for the next one.
No, we're not using pistols. We have a chance.
Have a chance.
Okay, take that many shots.
The round is lost. Focus on the
Leave
next
the
one.
game.
No. What?
Don't miss 90% of the
Strasser
shots.
1, clear all threats.
Go to my teammate, Jesus Christ. That's so cool.
It's down to you. Finish the mission.
Damn.
Oh yeah, slide.
Fuck.
Oh, you fuck.
What? How did that not hit him? How did that not hit him?
Because you missed.
No, you saw that shit. It was on his
Bro,
face.
he's dead aim again, bro. He's such a bitch. Report him. How is he not dead?
Oh, I'm by myself.
Did he leave the game?
What the f- Yeah, that's cool.
Focus on the
Shooting
next
that while
one.
you were damaged, though.
Yeah, he was also stunned. God, there we go, finally gave me a weapon.
A default M4 with a red dot.
What the fuck? Did you not see my reticle on that dude's face?
That looks like
Yeah, he lasers the wall! What the hell?
mauled. I think for that I have to put hashtag ad in my video. Well, that's going to be all for today's Modern Warfare 2 multiplayer video. Time to get rolling on.